Hi, so today you're going to learn how to create a Facebook pixel and how to install it on your WordPress website. So why are we doing this? Again, Facebook pixel helps you track your conversions, helps you to track your customers or your website visitors. You can also improve your ads through the use of Facebook pixel, and you can remarket to your visitors when they abandon their carts or they cancel your offer. And yeah, there's so much potential when you use Facebook pixel. So let's go ahead and create it. Okay, so in order to do that, you have to go to the business manager or to your ads manager, click the hamburger icon, and click all tools, go to pixels. So once you click the pixel link, it will route you to this page, which means you can now create your pixel. And it's so easy. Just click create a pixel. Make sure that you are on the right ad account and name your pixel. In this case, I will name it Pinky and set this pixel. And click create. And that's it. You've just created your pixel. Now, of course, this will not work unless you install this pixel to your website. And we are going to do that now. There are 3 ways to do that. If you have a developer for your website, you can email the instructions to him. You can use an integration or tag manager. But for me, I will use manually install the code yourself. Okay, and let's do that right now. There are 3 steps to do this. You need to first locate the header code for your website. Number 2, copy the entire pixel code, which is this one, and paste it in the website header. To copy it, just click it and automatically it goes to your clipboard. And the 3rd step is to send the test traffic to your pixel. Okay, so we're going to do that right now. We're going to go to our WordPress website, and I'm going to show you how to add this pixel. So now I'm here in my WordPress website, and I am going to add a plugin because this is the easiest way for you to add the pixel code. I'm going to go to plugins and click add new. I'm going to search for insert header and footer. There you go. Oh, here we go. This is the one. Insert headers and footers. Install now. Okay, and I'm going to click activate. Okay, it says plugin activated. Once it's activated, I'm going to go to settings. And I'm going to click insert headers and footers. And I'm going to paste the code that I copied earlier in the scripts in header section. Okay, and that's it. I'm going to click save. Okay, normally you will not get this kind of warning. Let's see, a potentially unsafe operation has been detected. It's been blocked by WordFence because I have WordFence installed. Okay, so I'm the admin, so I am certain this is a false positive whitelist. In case that happens to you, this is how you do it. You can refresh the page to try this action again. Okay, let's try it again and paste, click save, and settings are saved. So that's it. Your Facebook pixel has just been installed. Okay, so let's do this step number 3, which is to send the test traffic to our pixel so we can check if the pixel has been installed correctly. And it says here that note that this process may take several minutes. If more than 20 minutes have passed after test firing your pixel and the status is no activity yet, your code might not be installed correctly. So I'm going to paste my URL here and I'm going to send the test traffic. And then I'm going to wait until, there you go. It's quite instant, right? And it says active. So that's it. You have installed the pixel correctly. You now have the power and the ability to track the visitors in your website.